here, we're going to do a lot of different equipment today. The nice thing about when you're doing equipment for people is that they really want to get it done because, as you can see, this is a big development. Lots of different companies are out here. This way you mark your vehicle, kind of your stamp on what's yours out here. Makes it easier to see what your equipment is.
So one thing I noticed, Josh, is wind's going to be an issue today.
Wind's always fun. One thing with the wind, you just take extra preparation before you put it on. Make sure you got a lot of tape on it, kind of hold it into place. Big thing you got to worry is once you cut it off, you have the paper wants to just blow away. And you have two choices. You can save the paper or save what you're putting on. Typically I like to save what I'm putting on. Paper's going to fly, you can always go get it. You can't, you know, drive a half hour back to the shop and go get a new decal. So that's why always take your time. Don't worry what the paper's going to do. So.
Working on setting up this awning for Windstar. They imported the file over and sometimes it doesn't come out right and there's odd colors that'll print different, so I'm just changing those out. So that's what I'm working on. I finally got rid of all of them. So now it's just making sure the layers are right. So that's fine.
I am working on this order for Mary Price, and I'm also cutting an order for Southeast Recycling Company.
This is Robbie Johnson's mini sprint or micro sprint. Funny thing about this cart is I had designed it last year, but he didn't really race last year, so he didn't need it. So he got a hold of me and said, "Hey, I'd like to order that car that you designed me last year."
Working on decals for Southeast Metal Recycling.
I am setting up some orders for print today. I've got a couple cool ones that we're doing. Something for Restore Muscle for their Bandit run. It looks like it's going to be a map of the United States with their awesome logo on it. Kind of looks pretty vintage. It's going to turn out pretty cool, I think. And then I'm also going to be printing some layouts for a nativity scene that they're going to be applying on wood cutouts. So
Oh, this car.
get that
Christmas?
opened up. For Christmas.
It's
yeah.
June.
It is June. I know. I guess they're one of those people that like to get things done very early, which, you know, is very nice for us. So we're not waiting till the last minute in a hurry to get those things done for them. So.